Understanding Casual Greetings. How's everything? Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a casual, yet widely used English greeting. How's everything? This seemingly simple phrase is packed with nuances and is a great way to initiate a conversation. Let's uncover the layers of this friendly question together. How's everything is a casual greeting you might hear in everyday conversations. It's similar to asking, "How are you?" but with a subtle twist. It implies interest not only in the person's well-being but also in the general state of their life or the situation they are currently in. It's a way of asking if everything in their life is going well, without focusing on any specific aspect. You can use "How's everything?" in various settings, but it's most common in informal or semi-formal situations. It's perfect for starting a conversation with friends, colleagues, or someone you haven't seen in a while. When someone asks you this, they're typically expecting a brief and general response, like, "Good, thanks," or "Not bad, how about you?" It's an opener to a conversation, not usually an invitation for a detailed or lengthy response. While "How's everything?" is a simple question, the subtext can vary based on tone and context. If asked with genuine concern, it shows that the person cares about your overall well-being. However, in a more casual setting, it might just be a polite way to start a conversation, not requiring a detailed answer. Understanding this can help you respond appropriately. In different English-speaking cultures, "How's everything?" can have slight variations in use and response. In some places, it's common to give a positive response regardless of the actual situation, as it's more about politeness than an actual inquiry into one's well-being. It's also worth noting that similar phrases like, "How's it going?" or "How are you doing?" might be used interchangeably. There you have it. How's everything? Is more than just a question. It's a friendly gesture, a conversation starter, and a way to show interest in someone's life. Whether you're the one asking or responding, remember it's all about fostering a positive connection. We hope this video helps you navigate your English conversations more confidently. Happy chatting!